Hi, I'm Eli Thompson. I'm a urologist at Northwest Urology. I'm currently practicing in our Slabtown location. I was born and raised in Los Angeles, but after graduating from UC Berkeley, I moved to Washington, D.C. to do a research fellowship at the National Institutes of Health. Although I was originally in a surgical neurology branch, I ended up studying von Hippel-Lindau disease, which is a condition that affects the kidneys as well. I ended up doing a few years of research into renal cell carcinoma, and that's what originally piqued my interest in urology. After spending a couple years doing more basic science research, I realized I really wanted to be in a more clinical profession. I really liked interacting with people, and the small snippets I had at the NIH where I got to interact with patients kind of reaffirmed this for me. So after 2 years at the NIH, I moved back to Los Angeles and started medical school at the University of Southern California. I ended up staying on there for residency at the USC Institute of Urology. There I was exposed to a wide breadth of urologic conditions and procedures as well. Everything from small in-office procedures like vasectomies and Botox in the bladder that we can do to help with an overactive bladder, to much more larger in-depth procedures lasting several hours to help with things like bladder cancer and testicular cancer. I received advanced training in robotic and minimally invasive surgery, as well as more complex microscopic surgeries that we can do to help with infertility and men's health. And that's really what drew me to urology in the first place. I liked the wide breadth of field. We could do small procedures in the office, little things to really help improve patients' quality of life, and then more complex things to address tougher cancers and give people back more years with their loved ones. I also liked that I got to know patients over a long period of time. I didn't just treat people as a one and done, move on to the next patient. I really get to see patients over years and years and get to know them as an individual. I currently treat men and women with all urologic conditions and problems. I have advanced training in robotic and minimally invasive surgery, but I also have a special interest in sexual dysfunction and men's health. I spend a lot of my time treating men and women with kidney stone disease, men with bothersome prostate issues, as well as advanced cancer care, including testicular cancer, prostate cancer, and kidney cancer. As part of my focus on sexual dysfunction and men's health, I specialize in urologic prosthetics, including penile prosthetics and artificial sphincters. I also have extensive training and experience with no scalpel vasectomies. After finishing my training, my wife and I decided to move to Portland to escape the hustle and bustle of Los Angeles and just be able to spend more time with our family. We have 2 little girls and 2 dogs, and just spend more time outdoors and with our community. I was a little tired of spending 3 hours in the car listening to the radio stuck in traffic, and would prefer to spend that time with you as a patient or with my family. So again, I'm Eli Thompson. I'm a urologist with Northwest Urology, and I look forward to meeting you and treating any urologic concerns or conditions you may have.